Hey, what's up everyone? In my last video I showed you the progress that I was making on the Vanagon trailer. Now at that point I was about halfway done with the build, and after about a month of daily work I finally finished the trailer. I posted some pictures on the internet and I got an overwhelming response. So I wanted to make a video showing it getting set up and walking around to show you what I've built. In the first part I'm going to show you a quick video of me setting it all up. Then we'll do a walk around and we'll climb up inside the tent and talk a little bit about the new setup. Alright, so let's go ahead and start here at the front. We have the battery box. Alright, so in the tongue box, as you can see, we have a fuel tank for the diesel heater. This holds 6.5 gallons, and for the 2 kilowatt heater that should last several days. We have a Group 27 deep cycle battery here. And of course, we have the controller for the heater. I'm going to go ahead and click that on. Okay, so that's on and set. We'll walk around while that gets heated up. Alright, so as I said before in the previous video, the tongue was custom built out of an old utility trailer. It's been seriously beefed up. Added mud flaps to the front there that allows water to get out of the trailer but not get sprayed up in by the tires of the towing vehicle. The tongue box is a repurposed Army footlocker. I coated in bed liner to try to waterproof it as much as possible. I have a feeling it was already fairly waterproof. I used it on the roof of the Vanagon for a while and never really had any problems with water. Alright, moving in here you can see the completed heater ducting. That tight bend has not been a problem for the heater's exhaust. Some people may question my ducting there. A little bit of smoke when it first fires up and then it's done, which is pretty common. You can see the duct that's running into the side of the tent there, and it's going to funnel plenty of hot air out of that little heater. Walk around the side here. The tailgate is fashioned from the original rear hatch of the van, which is pretty cool. I cut it down so that you could get in and out of it while the tent is out, and so cargo could still be moved in and out with the tailgate on. The wiring for the trailer is flat 4, which is wired into the original taillights for a pretty factory look. little hard to see, but you can easily still get in here and work. You can hear the heaters really begin to ramp up. While we're under here, you can see the original suspension is still intact, which makes for excellent ground clearance. Alright, so now that we've kind of walked around the outside, let's pop on in the inside and check that out. Alright, so here we are inside the tent, and I don't know if you can hear it, but we got nice hot air being ducted in here. Super comfortable in here. I could actually start peeling off layers if I wasn't going to be getting back out here in a minute. Now, taking the tent off of the van and putting on a trailer made it unbelievably more useful and a lot less scary to get into. And the setup time is cut down by at least half without having to climb up and down and around the van to try and open this thing up. Now, as you can see in the video, it's being towed by my FJ, but it's not so heavy that a Vanagon couldn't tow it. In fact, I'm pretty sure my air-cooled Vanagon could probably tow this without any problems. That's not to say that you want to probably be tugging this around with a stock engine. You probably want a Subaru engine or some kind of more modern swap before you're towing something like this around. Now let's get back out and I'll show you a few things around the trailer. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my walk-around video. The Vanagon trailer is for sale, and I've put that link in the description below. If you like the content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.